colony of frogs is traveling across a forest in search of a pond. While hopping around, two frogs fall into a deep pit. The other frogs gather around the pit and express their concern over the situation. They try very hard and put in all their efforts to come out of the pit, while the frogs watching from the top tell them to give up. As the two frogs try to jump out of the deep pit, the other frogs discourage them by saying how impossible it is to jump out. The two frogs choose to ignore the demotivating words of others and decide to jump out of the pit. Eventually, one among them is influenced by the other frogs and dies as it gives up on the struggle to come out of the pit. The other frog continues to jump as hard as it can. After an immense struggle, it finally comes out of the pit alive. Other frogs are surprised and ask how it managed to come up in spite of them telling it to give up. The frog explains that it is deaf and assumed that everyone was cheering for it.